Hey bro, it's 2026 already. Tell me honestly, did your life change or are you still the same New Year, same me guy?
Excuse me, I upgraded from lazy to slightly motivated. That's progress.
Slightly motivated? That sounds like you woke up early and then went back to sleep.
Okay, that happened once, or maybe every day this week.
See, that's exactly why we need to talk about this. How to actually change your life for the better in 2026.
I think my problem is I go too big. Like, from tomorrow, I'll wake up at 5 a.m., go to the gym, read books, learn English, and become rich.
And then?
And then I wake up at 10 a.m. and eat paratha.
Exactly. Big goals sound cool, but small habits actually work. Start with something simple like waking up 15 minutes earlier or learning 5 new English words daily.
So instead of becoming a superhero overnight, I become a slightly better human daily?
Yes, no cape needed.
Okay, but my routine is already fixed badly.
That's the problem. Your routine decides your future. If you scroll your phone for 3 hours every night, don't expect success to magically appear.
Ouch, that hurt. But it's true.
Replace one bad habit with one good habit. For example, instead of watching random videos, watch English learning content or listen to podcasts.
So I can still use my phone, but smarter.
Exactly. Smartphone, smart user.
Since we're talking about change, I really want to improve my English this year.
Then do it daily. Speak a little every day, even if you make mistakes.
But I feel shy. What if people laugh?
Let them laugh. At least you're learning. The only real mistake is staying silent.
So mistakes are part of the process?
100%. Even babies fall before they learn to walk.
That means I'm just an English baby.
Exactly. Just don't cry like one.
I think my biggest issue is overthinking. I plan a lot, but don't take action.
That's common. You don't need perfect timing. You need action.
So start now, fix later?
Yes, action creates clarity. Waiting creates excuses.
Wow, that sounds deep. Did you read that somewhere?
No, I just made it up, but it sounds like a quote, right?
I'm writing it down anyway. What about friends? Do they really affect our life?
Of course. If your friends are lazy, you'll feel comfortable being lazy.
Uh-oh, my friends are in danger.
I'm not saying leave them. Just add people who inspire you, people who learn, grow, and improve.
So I need upgrade friends?
Not upgrade, just balance. Keep fun friends and growth friends.
That sounds like different versions of friends.
Exactly, like apps in your phone.
I always start strong, but then I quit after a few days.
That's because you chase perfection. Instead, focus on consistency.
Meaning?
Meaning, even if you study English for just 10 minutes daily, do it every day.
So small effort plus consistency equals big results.
Yes, that's the real secret. All right, let's quickly recap. Start small, not dramatic. Fix your daily routine. Practice English every day. Take action, don't overthink. Choose better surroundings. Stay consistent, not perfect.
That actually sounds simple. Why do we make life so complicated?
Because we like comfort more than change.
Okay, guys, now it's your turn. What's one small change you'll start today?
Comment below and tell us. And don't forget, practice your English daily, even if it's just speaking one sentence.
And if you enjoyed this conversation, like, share, and subscribe for more fun English learning content.
Let's make 2026 the year we actually change, not just talk about it.
See you in the next episode.